Thank you. Granny hold that and Tita just set it open. Hello, wow. Look at Lala. They're nice, Lala. Wow, thank you. This is your first gift. Let's open the next one. Thank you, Mavis Atilay, Tita Laila, Pastor. Nice. Wow, let's open this one. Look, Lala. Hello, wow. Lala. Lala, nanda kayo mga babong mina na lang. Setin siya. Cute. Pang sport fest na dyan, Lala. Barbie. Wow. Lala, wow. Look at this, Lala. So cute. Lala, look. Lala. Look, wow. Nice. Next one. Hi. All the way from Bohol. Very big kayo. First one is hello. Cardigan Lala, but very big pa rin cardigan Lala. Look. Big pa man Lala. Big pa. Next one. Dress. Big ka po, pero masod yun yung pili. Look! Hindi na nga-dress Lala. Look at this one. Wow! Wow! Nawala na yung butterfly. Look! May butterfly. Hindi na kay kagitan ko. Wow! Thank you! Ninang Ning. Next one is this one. All the way from Bohol, Quezon. Very big kay Lala. Big pa mo Lala. Huh? So, sila raan. Open. Let's open this one. Ato lang grabe ko pagka-close. Kaya na pa yung scotch tape na pa dit. Stapler. Grabe. Stapler pa siya, oh. I-tape din yung stapler. Grabe. What's this? Grabe. Hala. Wow. First one is butter coconut snack. Hala, oh. Yours. Wow. Thank you. Lala. It's a pillow. Lala. Look mo, tadi kayo ko anong perfume. Wow! Water na si mong kalok, Lala. Look! Lala, look! Wow! Sunflower! Ano yung pillows? Para sunflower pillow. Yay! Next one is wipes. Needed kaayo ni Lara. Okay, bulingits. Let me see it. Ah, yours. Wala ka nang dahil. Luwa. Haha, ka-cute. Lala. Ay, dabi. Lala. Alam mo? Ala. Lala. Wow. Yeah. Hey, let's put it here. Wow. Cute. Ay, mo nang bukon ha. Nabukon. Thank you, Ninang Jessa. Apa dyan siya? Hala. Wow. Mr. DIY. Pangkuha na siya, Lara. Naguro na siya eh. Pwede na siya sa water, Lala. Ano? Tada! Water ni mo, Lara. I'm this much love is true. Jutsu. Thank you. Okay, hilig tiny remedies. In a rush. Natural nappy cream. Oh, please. Yay! Mga rushes. This is really helpful. Thank you so much. Yay! And that's all. Thank you, Nina Jess. The next one is from Tita Janelle. Is po ni kay. Ba ako yung makayus ano lang mga kuan ni sa lang. Endless broken road. Tita Janelle. Ako makayus ano siya. Uy. Hello. Storybooks. Like kanila to. Yeah. Lara, happy first birthday, baby. May these books fill your world with stories, colors, and endless adventures as you grow. Love, Mamo Jean. Thank you. So cute. Baga pa dito siya daghan ko. Mga storybooks. Let's open. Open. Wow, nagtanan eh. Yay, needed zikainin ako. Look. Excited pa. Ano, the ugly duckling. Look. Ugly duckling. Oh, nagpray. Look. One day, loaded duck. Little chicks. Mama, tapos ko ano raw. Princess and the Pea. Cute. Ano, look. Na, princess. Kasi princess. Ang princess Lara, oh. Princess. Look, may horse. The prince rode away to look for a princess. Nice. Another one. Cinderella. Look. Cinderella. Wow. Beauty and the Beast. So cute. Nice. Oh my God. Hansel and Gretel. Hello, baby. Need to read now. Jack and the Beanstalk. Wow. Giant Beanstalk. Goldilocks and the Bears. Baby. It's you, Lala. Goldilocks. Look at me. Goldilocks. Goldilocks. So cute. Little Red Riding Hood. Look. Wow, so Little Red Riding. She was taking a basket of food to her sick granny. The 3 little pigs. The second little pig ran away as fast as he could. Rapunzel. Si Rapunzel, kaya taas kaya si Rapunzel lalay. Kikito lagi ni mga 3 billy goats sprout. The gingerbread man. I will help you, said the fox. Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. This is Snow White. The Little Mermaid. Whoa! Hindi naman ikaw kaganan eh. Ano sa book? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 books. Thank you, Mama Jean. Nice ko. Oh, I love this. Nice kayo ang colors. Dapat makabasa na kanila. Yes, say thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.